Shadim Shari. It's Monday, August 19th, 2024. Uh, Someone in the chat group mentioned CAVA, and I opened up the chart last night, and to my surprise, there are line that was drawn before last night, which I don't remember. Maybe someone asked about CAVA before, and I did this chart real quick, but it was not drawn last night. These two channel line was not drawn last night, and to my surprise also that look at how well this channel, these two TA line works. Okay, so you get this channel breakout, check back, boss move, and yet that nasty correction 2 weeks ago where look where it came down. Wow. And then boss move back to graph high again. You see how wonderful TA works? Good cup of coffee. And what now? Definitely not chasing. Oh my, right? Oh my. This is one of the best looking small cap restaurant, fast food. Well, not fast food, fast casual is the category. Same like Chipotle, Panera. But wow, impressive. The question is, what next, right? So let's do this. Let's do this from this breakout. Okay, let's do this. Let's do a fib extension. Because that's what we do when it at all-time high. Okay, so let's do it right there. Oops, oopsie. Okay. Where else can it go? How far can it run? If you have it, potentially 108 would be the next spot. Now, if this retrace, which does not look like it, look like pre-market, you got some further movement, then yeah, nothing to do here, but wait patiently. Would I like to get in? Yeah, gap fill. In fact, I'm gonna put in an alert right there, right above the gap fill. Actually, no, the alert would be right here where the gap up is. When it breaks down, kind of lining up nicely with the 20 MA. That would be the first spot to potentially buy the dip. Look at that. Okay, so yeah, you might not get a chance at the gap fill yet, but the gap up low might be the first spot. Okay, use TA, it's your guide. Another small cap that rip raw. Wow, right? Wow. Hopefully some of you who trim Palantir on this move up got in on the flash crash. I sold naked puts on the flash crash, but that's all I did. I of course I would love to add what I trim. I trimmed 25% up here. I did not add on the flash crash. I thought I had more chances, but I did not. But now it's running. Okay, but use TA as your guide. What else can I say, right? Where else can it go? That's a big question. Let's go back 3 years. Okay, so it bossed right through. Okay, it bossed right through the 3-year high. Let's go back even further. Okay, further, you got, wow, it filled the gap. Okay, that was a gap. It filled and bossed right through it. I'm glad I stayed greedy. I looked at this before, and after the 25% trim, I said to myself, stay greedy. Okay, stay greedy because this stock will have some momentum. Would I trim if I see something like 40? Yeah, absolutely. Okay, I don't expect it to run to 40, but you never know. If this was December, I would say, yeah, the year-end rally can take place and nuttiness can keep going. But for now, I say it's possible. Let's go back to the 1-year chart. All right, so let's do this. Let's do the fib. Okay, let's run the fib from this breakout. Let's do a fib. You know, fib is not the best exact thing to do, but we do a fib extension. Okay, so let's say this was the breakout. From this point, from this consolidated low, bouncing off the channel low. Yeah, that's why I picked that spot. Then next up potentially is right there, 33.22. So I might trim to be disciplined, a tiny amount of share, just to be disciplined. Okay, and then you can see right there, 35.15. Okay, so there you go. That's all the level that I would put a tiny order to trim all the way up to, let's see, of course, double up would be up there. See, 43.72. It would be the double up. Now, does that line up with anything? Let's see. Let's see. Let's go back. Let's go back 5 years. Let's go back 10 years. Yeah, look at that. Looking good, right? Yeah, so yeah, it's possible until it retraces. Then we flip back into retracement mode. Okay, last one for the day. I did buy into Honeywell a small portion, a small amount in the flash crash pullback, because if there is any desire to have exposure to the industrial sector, Honeywell is a decent one. My only concern, of course, is falling out of a channel, right? So let's do what I normally do, is change the color. You know the rule. It's okay to fall out of a channel for a week. After that, it becomes dicey. Going sideways is okay. We don't want a downward channel to develop. Okay, that's the key. That's the key. But I do like Honeywell here. Okay, that's the channel. Let's go back 3 years. Yeah. So that's, I did clean up the chart a little bit too, because it was quite too messy. But here we go. I bought here, of course, 196. Okay, that's basically the fib. I bought at 198 and 196 twice. Would I add 196 again? Yeah, I don't mind. Okay, I don't mind. As long, I don't mind if it break out the channel and go sideways. I do mind if it break down. Okay, I bought at 198, 196 because of this ref low right here, and then of course the fib. Would I put in a stop? Low of day last week would be 195.57. But for now, would I add at 198? Yes. 196? Yes. I will keep adding to it. I like Honeywell. I want to have more exposure to the industrial, and they do pay a nice dividend. That's it for today. As far as this week, econ data is pretty light. There is a bunch of bond auctions that will determine where TLT is gonna go. There is a 20-year bond auction, I believe, on Wednesday in the afternoon. That will move TLT for sure. But other than that, I think Thursday is the only major economic day with jobless claim. You know, today is super light. Tomorrow is super light on econ data as well. Um, that's it. Let's see how this week will pan out.